Moving on to Assam, to preserve the rich cultural heritage manifested in the form of artifacts, the government of Assam has recently inaugurated a new district museum in Dibrugarh. Many art and history lovers believe that the inauguration of the new district museum will open a new chapter in the history of Assam. Have a look.
To preserve and record the cultural artifacts of Assam, a new district museum was recently inaugurated in Dibrugarh, Assam. Eastern Assam may be termed as the melting pot, where at least 3 different strands of culture, Indo-Aryan, Tibeto-Burman and Thai culture intertwine. The new district museum was inaugurated by Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal. Out of the proposed 6 galleries, the Archaeology Gallery is now completed for public viewing, which has been developed under the aegis of Assam State Museum Management Society.
We have got some very valuable and rare artifacts, including one inscription called a Gondahora inscription, which probably belongs to in between the time period of 675 AD and 725 AD. And it has got references to a phase of Assam history about which very scarce data are available. So that can open up a new chapter of Assam history.
The rest of the galleries include ethnographic heritage, numismatic, arm and armors, textiles and manuscripts, which are at the planning level now. The 3-story building, which has been constructed at cost of 3.43 crore rupees and includes 6 galleries, a basement for parking facilities, an auditorium and office rooms. A new museum building, which is the second largest after the State Museum at Guwahati, would provide a fitting platform for the preservation of the rich heritage of the state. Students and researchers would also be immensely benefited from this museum.
हमारे डिब्रूगढ़ में ऐसा म्यूज़ियम अभी तक नहीं था, गुवाहाटी में था। हम लोग गुवाहाटी में गए जाते हैं देखने के लिए, लेकिन अभी हम लोग के डिब्रूगढ़ में भी ये आ गया है। मतलब ये म्यूज़ियम एक बहुत बड़ा गैलरी अभी स्थापन हुआ है, तो इसीलिए हम लोग को बहुत अच्छा लगा है। और इधर बहुत पौराणिक सामग्री है जो हमको मतलब देखने को मिला है। हम लोग पढ़ते थे पहले, बुक्स में हम लोग को मिलता था ये सब पढ़ने के लिए, अभी हम लोग को देखने को मिल रहा है, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
The district museum at Dibrugarh, which was established on March 16 in 1987, was earlier functioning from the district library building. But now, with the construction of this new museum in Dibrugarh, will provide a permanent infrastructure with modern facilities for research, collection of artifacts and their preservation in the Upper Assam.